Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen yogurt popsicles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of plain yogurt, your choice of fruit like berries or bananas, and a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Make sure you have your popsicle molds and sticks ready. This quick and healthy treat is perfect for a warm day, and it's so easy to customize with different flavors. Now, let's get blending. Add your 2 cups of plain yogurt, about 1 cup of fruit, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener into a blender. Blend everything until it's completely smooth and has a creamy consistency. If you prefer a chunkier popsicle, you can mash some fruit by hand and stir it in after blending. Don't forget to taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness before moving on. Once your mixture is perfectly blended, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the yogurt mixture into each popsicle mold, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Then, insert your popsicle sticks. Make sure they are centered and standing upright. Place the filled molds in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to ensure they are completely solid and ready to enjoy. After freezing, your delicious frozen yogurt popsicles are ready. To easily remove them from the molds, run the bottom of each mold under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps loosen them up without melting the popsicle. Now you can enjoy your refreshing, healthy, and homemade treat. They're perfect for kids and adults alike. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.